Posting on TikTok is not what it used to be. I'm gonna show you how to gain followers on TikTok and how to increase your views instead of losing them. Coming up next. So you're watching this video and you notice that you are losing followers by the hundreds and by the thousands. And no matter what you do, I get a ton of you commenting on my videos saying, why am I losing followers? I post every day, matter of fact, 2 to 3 times a day. And for some reason, I had 14,000 followers and now I have 11,000 followers. Others are saying they had 22,000 followers and now they have 10,000 followers on TikTok. So what's going on? Recently, I discovered after doing my own research that TikTok is now promoting TikTok Shop. Even though most people don't want to be involved in TikTok Shop, if you are doing what they are promoting themselves, which is TikTok, and you are hopping on what they are trying to push, that's where the views are going. This doesn't mean if you are already making viral content that you won't continue to get the views, follows, likes, and shares. However, when TikTok comes out with a new feature, when you participate in it, you are going to get views. That's why it's always popular and important to hop on trends right when you see a trend happening. If a trend is picking up, you need to hop on it. If you're doing something totally different while something is trending or while a new feature comes out, or in this case, TikTok Shop and other things that they are pushing, you're gonna get views, but you're not gonna get what you would normally get or what you should be getting if they're pushing something and you're not trying it at all. I want to encourage you, keep posting, but definitely if you don't want to be a part of TikTok Shop, if you don't want to buy something, you know, even at a discount, which is one of the cool things is you're getting things at a discount. I've actually bought my first thing. I'm gonna try it. I see what's going on. The plus side is once you get the product, you can make as many videos as you can, and the product description and link for the viewers to buy it will be in every single video. There's no limit to how many videos you can make when promoting TikTok Shop. And for every single thing, you get a commission. Sometimes it's 30 cents for every sale, 40 cents, $1. There is a plus side to buying something cheap on TikTok Shop, which is kind of like Wish or all of these other, Amazon, all of these other platforms that you can buy things on. The microphone that I ordered, it's telling me when it's being packaged, when it's leaving the country, when it's arriving in the mainland of the United States, or, depending on where you're at, and when it's being sent out, and also when it's out for delivery and when I can expect it. So there's a ease of knowing that, you know what, I'm not just gonna try something random. I'm gonna involve and embark out on something that can become a side hustle. You have to remember, are you wanting to grow your following, or are you trying to gain followers so likely that maybe you can begin to sell things on your platform? If you want to sell things and become an entrepreneur, then it's not really all about you. It's about starting a business. It's about, growing your platform so that you can now market to the people who are watching your content. And if you're promoting the right products that you're using yourself, then your audience is likely going to want to purchase that product, especially if it's not expensive. Check out TikTok Shop. If you're still losing views and followers, just be mindful that sometimes, I don't normally push this, but sometimes you may need to create another account. Doesn't mean throw this one away, but you may need to start a new account because TikTok also favors new accounts. New accounts also get new features, and they want them to get as much exposure as they can because they want these new accounts to now post daily. Comment below. Let me know, what do you think about TikTok Shop? Are you experiencing views being high or low? What are your thoughts? Is this something you would even do? Is it a waste of your time? I also want to add, a long time ago, I paid to have one of my videos be an ad. And though I saw the views coming in, a couple of comments, a couple of likes, it wasn't worth it. I paid 20 something dollars for my video that would normally go viral to now be seen and to be on the For You page, but it really wasn't worth it. So you will never see me making one of my TikTok videos become an ad. I'll do TikTok Shop because I'm getting something out of it. So hey, until next time, I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure to click on one of these videos that can give you some more information on something you may be experiencing when it comes to TikTok. Subscribe to this channel. There are a ton of videos on this YouTube channel that you can learn from, benefit from, and that will teach you a grip of tips, tricks, and tutorials. All right, guys, see you later.